Are you worried about the rising cost of food? I mean, really worried? Like, what if there's a food crisis and we're left with empty shelves and rumbling stomachs? It's a scary thought, right? Well, it's not just a figment of our imaginations. The world's facing a fertilizer shortage, supply chains are tangled, energy prices are through the roof, and we don't even have enough people to pick the fruits and veggies. It all adds up to a whole lot of pressure on our food supply, and don't even get me started on inflation. It's like they're playing a cruel joke on our wallets. You know what's been going down faster than a plate of my mom's home-cooked food? The IQ of our politicians. It's enough to make you go bananas. So, if we can't rely on governments or big corporations, and let's be honest, we can't, then we need to take matters into our own hands. That's why, in this video, I'm sharing my top 6 crops that are easy to grow at home and can provide you with some serious food security. Let's dig in. First up, we have the mighty potato. Now, I'm not talking about those bland, plastic-wrapped potatoes you find at the supermarket. I'm talking about real, homegrown potatoes bursting with flavor and nutrients. Potatoes are incredibly easy to grow. Seriously, even if you have a black thumb, you can grow potatoes. All you need is a little bit of space, some seed potatoes, and a bit of patience. They're like the gift that keeps on giving. And talk about historical significance. Remember the Irish potato famine? It was a dark time, but it taught us the importance of the potato as a staple crop. These tubers are packed with carbohydrates for energy and are a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and even fiber. But here's the thing. Don't put all your potato eggs in one basket. Diversify your potato varieties to prevent diseases from wiping out your entire crop. A little variety goes a long way in the garden and on your plate. Imagine digging up your own potatoes, scrubbing them clean, and whipping up a batch of crispy golden fries. Or how about a creamy potato soup on a chilly evening? The possibilities are endless. And the best part, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing that you grew this delicious and nutritious food with your own 2 hands. That's a feeling you just can't beat. So if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-grow crop that can provide you with sustenance and peace of mind, look no further than the humble potato. Next up, we have a true American icon, corn. This tall, proud grain has been feeding humanity for millennia, and for good reason. Corn is like the Swiss Army knife of the plant world. It's versatile, adaptable, and packed with energy. One of the things I love about corn is its compact growth habit. Unlike sprawling plants that take over your entire garden, corn grows vertically, making the most of your space. Plus, it's relatively low maintenance, so you can spend less time weeding and more time enjoying the fruits of your labor. And speaking of fruits, let's talk about the many ways you can enjoy corn. From sweet corn on the cob slathered in butter to fluffy tortillas and crunchy popcorn, corn is a culinary chameleon that can be enjoyed in countless ways. But corn's importance goes beyond its culinary versatility. This grain has played a pivotal role in shaping civilizations throughout history, from the ancient Mayans to the Native American tribes of North America. It's a testament to corn's resilience and nutritional value. So whether you're grilling up some corn on the cob for a summer barbecue or grinding your own cornmeal for tortillas, growing corn at home is a rewarding experience that connects you to generations past while ensuring your future food security. Now let's talk about a vegetable that often gets overlooked. Cabbage. I know it doesn't have the same glamour as a juicy tomato or the sweetness of a ripe watermelon. But on this one, cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a place in your garden and on your plate. First off, cabbage is incredibly easy to grow. It's a cool season crop that can tolerate a bit of frost, so you can start planting it early in the spring or even in the fall for a late season harvest. Plus, it's not too picky about soil conditions, making it a great option for beginner gardeners. But the real magic of cabbage lies in its health benefits. This leafy green is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can boost your immune system, improve digestion, and even help protect against certain types of cancer. It's like a natural medicine cabinet. And the best part? Cabbage is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can shred it for salads, ferment it into sauerkraut or kimchi, stir-fry it with your favorite veggies, or even make delicious cabbage rolls stuffed with your favorite fillings. One important tip for growing cabbage: be on the lookout for pests. Cabbage white butterflies love to lay their eggs on cabbage plants, and their caterpillars can devour a whole head of cabbage in no time. But don't worry, there are plenty of natural and organic pest control methods you can use to protect your crop. So don't underestimate the power of the humble cabbage. It's a nutritional powerhouse, a culinary chameleon, and a surprisingly easy crop to grow at home. When you think of pumpkins, you might picture Halloween jack-o'-lanterns or Thanksgiving pies. But pumpkins are so much more than just a festive decoration or a seasonal dessert. These cheerful orange orbs are nutritional powerhouses and surprisingly versatile in the kitchen. Growing pumpkins is like a fun family project. They're relatively easy to grow from seed, and watching those massive vines snake their way across your garden is a sight to behold. Plus, there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of harvesting your own pumpkin knowing you nurtured it from a tiny seed to a plump, orange beauty. And let's not forget about the nutritional benefits. Pumpkins are packed with vitamin A, which is essential for good vision, healthy skin, and a strong immune system. They're also a good source of fiber, potassium, and vitamin C. Now let's talk about eating these bad boys. Of course, you can carve them into spooky jack-o'-lanterns or bake them into delicious pies, but don't stop there. Pumpkin puree can be used in soups, stews, curries, and even bread. You can roast the seeds for a healthy snack or try your hand at making pumpkin butter or pumpkin hummus. Growing pumpkins is a rewarding experience that connects you to the cycles of nature and provides you with a bounty of delicious and nutritious food. Plus, it's a great way to get into the festive spirit, whether it's Halloween or Thanksgiving. Next on our list of essential homegrown crops are beans. These little guys may be small, but they're packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making them a valuable addition to any diet, especially for vegetarians and vegans. One of the best things about beans is their space-saving growth habit. Unlike sprawling plants that take over your entire garden, beans grow vertically, clinging to trellises or poles. This makes them ideal for small gardens or even balconies, allowing you to maximize your growing space. And talk about low maintenance. Beans are relatively easy to grow, even for beginner gardeners. They're fairly drought-tolerant once established, and they actually improve your soil health by fixing nitrogen from the air, making it available to other plants. It's a win-win situation. Historically, beans have played a crucial role in diets around the world, providing a cheap and accessible source of protein and nutrients for centuries. From hearty bean stews to flavorful dips and spreads, beans are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. And let's not forget about the convenience factor. Dried beans have a long shelf life, so you can store them for months without worrying about spoilage. This makes them an excellent option for building a pantry stockpile and ensuring food security during lean times. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, consider adding beans to your garden this year. You'll be amazed by their resilience, their nutritional value, and their incredible versatility in the kitchen. Last but certainly not least, we have the beloved tomato. Is it a fruit or a vegetable? Honestly, who cares? All we know is that tomatoes are delicious, versatile, and surprisingly easy to grow at home. There's nothing quite like biting into a juicy, sun-ripened tomato, still warm from the vine. The flavor is incredible, bursting with sweetness and acidity, unlike anything you'll find at the supermarket. And the best part? Growing your own tomatoes gives you complete control over the growing process. You can choose heirloom varieties for incredible flavor, or opt for disease-resistant hybrids for a more low-maintenance approach. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamins A and C, potassium, and lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers and heart disease. Plus, they're incredibly versatile in the kitchen. From fresh salsas and sauces to hearty stews and soups, tomatoes can transform any dish with their bright flavor and vibrant color. You can even roast them to concentrate their sweetness or dry them for a chewy, flavorful snack. One thing I've noticed is that homegrown tomatoes have a depth of flavor that's often missing from their store-bought counterparts. It's like they're infused with the warmth of the sun and the love you poured into growing them. So there you have it, my friends. 6 essential crops that you can easily grow at home to boost your food security, save money, and enjoy the incredible satisfaction of eating food you grew yourself. But I'm curious, what other crops would you add to this list? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's create a community of like-minded individuals who believe in the power of self-sufficiency and the importance of growing our own food. You know, growing even a small portion of your own food is about more than just saving money or prepping for potential disasters. It's about taking control of your health, connecting with nature, and experiencing the deep satisfaction that comes from nurturing life from seed to table. Plus, it's a great way to stick it to those custard-gut politicians. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Until next time.